It's time to clean up the coffee pot. It has some stains and stuff, so let's go ahead and wash it. This is my second washing on it. I'm just throwing some more soap in it. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Be the cleanest coffee pot ever. Clean it out. Because, you know, gotta clean it. Make it nice and clean. I don't know what those vents are for. Probably just for heat or something. Look at that. Before you know it, it'll look brand new. Even the digital. I wonder if that'll be alright. You think so? Clean that. Every time I turn it over and rinse it, more soap. You put it in the dishwasher. Alright. Put it in the dishwasher. Look at that. All nice and pretty. Matter of fact, everything's all nice and pretty now. Put the lid back on. Alright, so see if this works. There you go. Let's brew some coffee. It worked perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, so what did it actually do? Water got into here, it messed up everything. Matter of fact, that broke right there. So a lot of things, and look at it, you can even see how warped that is, has gotten from the dryer. Of course, absolutely never, never, never do what I just did. Just funny as heck. I actually have a second one right here. So do not ever, ever wash your coffee pot. This was just for fun. I can't wait to see the comments of people saying, you can't do that, blah, blah, blah. Watch your videos to the end.